All right, y'all, let's get real. Accountability. Yeah, that word folks love to toss around when it's someone else's problem, right? But today, we're flipping the mirror. We're talking about what it actually looks like in your life, in your relationships, even when tech tries to keep you in check. And this isn't a lecture, it's interactive. So grab a pen, your notes app, or hey, write it on the back of a bill. I'm not judging. Because by the end of this, you'll have 5 real tools you can use to step up your accountability game. Ready? Let's roll. Okay, first things first, think back. When's the last time you kinda dodged accountability? You know what I mean? Maybe you ghosted a text, flaked on a promise, threw a tiny excuse out there like confetti. We've all done it. No shame. This is about owning it. All right, now think about what you said or didn't say. Was it, well, I was busy? Or, you should have reminded me? Or maybe the classic, I'm sorry if you felt that way. That's a crowd favorite, right? Now, write down one thing you've been avoiding accountability for, big or small. Go on, I'll wait. Pause this video if you need to. Got it? Good. Here's your upgrade. Next time, instead of dodging, say this. I can see where I dropped the ball, and here's what I'll do to make it right. Clean, grown, no spin. Now, what about when someone else fumbles the bag? How do you call them in without turning into the accountability police? The goal isn't to drag them, it's to invite change. Big difference. Leans in. So, here's some real-world language you can use. Hey, I noticed this happened. Can we talk about how to do it differently next time? Or, I value this relationship, and I want to be honest about what's not working. You see the tone? It's not shame, it's not gotcha. It's human. Now you. Think about one person you need to have an accountability convo with. Maybe a partner, a friend, maybe even your boss. Got him in mind? Now pause here. Write down how you would start that conversation in your own words. And if you're feeling brave, drop your opening line in the comments. Trust me, someone else might need that example. Here's a secret sauce most folks skip. You do not have to do this alone. We are wired for co-accountability, not solo grind culture. So who's your accountability buddy? Could be a friend, could be your cousin, your therapist, your dog's Instagram followers, whoever's going to check in with you and keep it real. Set a small goal this week. Text that person. Hey, can we be accountability partners for this thing I'm working on? Make it mutual. Check in weekly. Encourage each other when it's good. Nudge each other when it ain't. And if you need a buddy, drop it in the comments. This community is here for that. All right, so today, you reflected on where you can own more accountability, learned how to hold others accountable without shame, got a tool to build accountability, partnerships that work. Now I'm going to ask you to walk your talk right here. Comment below, what's one thing you're taking accountability for this week? Could be big, could be small, but say it out loud. Writing it here is your first step. And listen, if this helped you think differently, smash that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss the next piece in this series. We're building tools, resources, and trust right here. And I want you in this with us. Turn on your notifications because we're just getting started. Accountability? It's a journey. Let's walk it together. I'll see y'all in the next one.